This toilet has been constructed with a contemporary design, featuring brilliantly chosen tiles. However, it may appear somewhat lacking and boring. To enhance its overall look, consider adding elements such as rugs and plant pots from B&Q. Scented candles purchased from 20 turkises for a pleasant aroma, reed and wicks to transform simple wicks into flower-headed ones. Additionally, adding a touch of colour with dried flowers and a plastic bowl from Temu. Along with a hand soap dispenser from the same source, can further elevate the aesthetic. Ha ha! It looks amazing. Oh, sorry, my bad tags are shown. Please don't mind, as it's not a designer toilet. I will turn them. Anyway, thank you for watching.